Hello and welcome back. This is the first video I've done in a long time, so I want to do sort of a test. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a redo of the first video that I ever posted. I have some better equipment now. I'm working from my home office now, so it's going to be a little bit different. So the idea is to look at a triangle. Here we have a triangle. And we want to argue that the sum of the internal angles of the triangle, x plus y plus z, is equal to 180 degrees. This is a common fact about triangles. How are we going to argue that x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degrees? I'm going to do the same technique I used in my original video. I'm going to use a thought experiment. So imagine that you start here, and you're facing this direction, and you start walking along the perimeter of the triangle. And you get to this corner, and then instead of continuing straight, you turn to face along this direction, and you start walking this way. How much did you turn by? Well, let's label this A. This is the angle that you turned by. You continue up to this corner, and again, instead of continuing straight, you turn, and you continue walking along this edge. Let's label this amount of your turn as B. And finally, you get to here, and instead of continuing straight, you turn, and you get back where you started. Now we can see, let's label this C to be consistent. Now we can see that from where you started, you basically went in a circle. It wasn't a curved circle, it was in a triangle, but the point is that the total amount that you turned brought you from facing this direction all the way back around to facing this direction again. And that means that A plus B plus C equals 360 degrees, one full turn. How is that going to help us? Well, we also have a relationship between A and Y, and B and Z, and C and X. Namely, A, whatever this amount of your turn is, plus Y is exactly equal to half of a full turn. Make this a dotted line again. So we have A plus Y equals 180 degrees. Similarly, B plus Z equals 180 degrees. And C plus X equals 180 degrees. And that's useful because if I add all these up, on the left-hand side I get A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z. And on the right-hand side, I get 3 times 180 degrees. Okay, but I know what A plus B plus C is. It's 360 degrees. So what I have here is 360 degrees, substituting this in for here, plus X plus Y plus Z equals 3 times 180 degrees. This is what I want to solve for. And I can do it because 3 times 180 degrees minus 360 degrees is just 180 degrees. So I've proven what I set out to prove, that the sum of the internal angles of this triangle must be 180 degrees, just from this thought experiment and a little bit of basic geometric reasoning.